you're based in South Africa and looking to profit from oil price movements, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the best Forex brokers for oil trading who offer reliable platforms, tight spreads, and strong regulation. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a few tips on managing oil trading risks in a volatile market. Before we dive in, remember, when trading commodities like oil, it's crucial to choose a broker regulated by trusted authorities such as the FSCA or ASIC, and one that provides access to energy markets through CFDs or futures. Here is the best oil trading Forex brokers in South Africa in 2025. FP Markets, 8cap, Octa, Tickmill, IC Markets. Check the link below on description to open an account for trading oil with best Forex brokers in South Africa in 2025. First up, FP Markets. Known for its institutional-grade execution and ultra-tight spreads, FP Markets offers oil CFD trading on both MT4 and MT5. South African traders love its fast order execution and direct market access. Plus, it's regulated by both ASIC and SISEC, a solid choice for active traders. Next is 8cap, a broker built for traders who value flexibility. 8cap offers WTI and Brent crude CFDs with raw spreads starting from zero. It integrates seamlessly with TradingView and MetaTrader, making technical analysis a breeze. Regulated by ASIC and the SCB, 8cap delivers speed and transparency. Octa is another top pick for South African traders. With a user-friendly mobile app and zero commission on oil CFDs. It's ideal for beginners entering the energy market. Octa's fixed spreads and 24/7 support make trading simple and accessible. Tickmill. For advanced traders, Tickmill stands out with its ultra-fast execution and low-cost trading environment. You can trade Brent and WTI CFDs with spreads as low as 0.0 pips on its Pro account. FSCA regulation and deep liquidity make Tickmill a trusted name in South Africa. Finally, IC Markets, a global powerhouse offering access to both Brent and WTI crude oil CFDs. With lightning-fast execution and one of the best ECN environments in the industry, IC Markets is perfect for scalpers and algorithmic traders. Expect transparent pricing and deep liquidity. Each of these brokers provides unique strengths, from FP Markets' reliability to IC Markets' speed. Your choice depends on your trading style, experience level, and platform preference. So, there you have it. The best oil trading Forex brokers in South Africa for 2025. Always trade responsibly and make sure your broker is regulated. Links to each broker are in the description below. This is your year to power your portfolio. Trade smart, trade safe, and make 2025 your best trading year yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading insights